mental health awareness, there is still
Mm-mm.
it's still considered a taboo somehow. Is that why
Mm.
is that why there are still some men struggling silently?
Yes, so definitely no, yung traditional view as to how it is being held by those people who are traditional, 'di ba?
Mm-hmm.
Kumbaga talagang yung kumakapit dun sa nakagawian, dun sa kultura as to how they should see men, those kumbaga parang those belief systems are also preventing no the development of this kind of understanding or advocacy as to how we should see men no in a healthier way. Kumbaga parang maririnig pa rin natin, no? Siguro hindi lang dun sa mga members ng mga previous generations, even to the generations right now, no? Sabihin natin yung nasa millennials or even yung mga nasa Gen Zs na since they acquired no or they were modeled in an environment wherein those traditional views of masculinity is still prevalent, eh nakakaapekto pa rin sila no dun sa patuloy no na kinakaharap no na yung mga challenges,
Mm-hmm.
patuloy na challenges na kinakaharap ng mga kalalakihan, no? So that's why for some, despite them being capable of acknowledging or recognizing their limitations, emotions, eh kumbaga parang they usually choose to be silent or they usually choose to suffer on their own, no? Kaya nagkakaroon pa rin ng barrier no based on the stigma and that kumbaga parang cultural divide that we are still
Mm-hmm.
yet to address. Mm-hmm.